The next leap may be less about bigger models and more about cheaper or faster inference training. So DeepSeek released their model last week, I think it is. We touched on that. They had another moment where it's competing with GPT-5 and it's open source and it will cost less to train and it costs less to build. So that is a huge advantage. Then the inference, when everyone talks about inference, what they're talking about is the actual time it takes for the GPU or the AI chip to do its thing and find the word that it needs to find to answer you. You ask it a question, it runs all these calculations in a 3D vector space, which is like an XYZ coordinate. It finds your words, it finds all the similarly matching words, and then it starts saying, all right, you've said this, and now I'm going to pick that word. What is the next word based on the probabilities in this vector space that I've seen before that I should give you? And it does that. And it does that in parallel, millions of times in the second, and gives the answer back. So that's the inference where it's trying to infer an answer. That is where everything has been at the moment. And the idea is if they can reduce that cost and the time that happens, you'll get faster responses and it's cheaper to run. These things still cost a shitload of money to operate. So the idea is the long context needs to be affordable. That needs to be happening with the memory, as well as making it cheaper to actually have a conversation and store this huge amount of information in the system.